Hey, welcome. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process for the Abbot BinaxNow COVID test. These are the at-home proctored tests that can be used for proof of negative test for the cruising. Just be careful when you do order these that you do the ones that are proctored. They look like this when they arrive, and it's really important that you do not open this box. As you'll see as we go through the process, you will open the box on your webcam. So a couple of things you need. You'll need your test unopened. You are going to need some kind of photo identification. You will need an account through the Navica app. And instructions are on there on how to download that and install that. Create your account before you call them. That's where your results are going to be sent. And then the last thing is you will need a computer or a phone or tablet, something that's connected to the internet that has webcam and microphone capabilities so that you can be monitored administering the test yourself. I'm going to use a laptop here and let's go. So I've gone into eMed.com. And I can either get a test, I can check the order status, or I can start testing. So I'm going to start testing. I have a test and I want to start a visit with an eMed certified guide. So there is a disclosure and authorization, basically allowing them to disclose your results, which of course we do want them to do. So I'm going to allow this. It's then asking, do I want to create an account or sign in? Well, as I mentioned, if you've already created your account, you'll just simply sign in. And then it's asking if they can take my personal information from Navica and send it over to Abbot, which of course they can. So I'm going to allow that. Just confirming that I am signed in with this account. Each individual person that's taking the test should sign in with their own individual account. Don't put multiple people on the same account. Do I have an unopened test available? Yes. Are my hands washed, sanitized and dry? Yes, they are. I will be asked to present my ID. Do I have that? Yes, I do. And have I previously had a COVID test? Yes, and I tested negative. Then what applies to me? I'm testing for travel purposes. None of the other options apply to me. If they do apply to you, do check them. If traveling by cruise, which cruise line? I am traveling with Carnival. I am not traveling by air. What city am I taking the test in? I am in West Hollywood. And which country? I'm in the United States of America. I'm going to submit that. So it's going to do a check to make sure that my device is ready. So it's going to check my microphone, my webcam, and obviously just the internet connection. So I'm going to hit start. So it's asking if I can hear the sound. I'm going to turn it up a little bit because it's quite quiet. There we go. Yes. All right, so now it's going to check. It's asking, can it use my microphone and camera? I'm going to allow that. So it is checking my audio input at the moment. So it's just listening, making sure the microphone's working, which it is. Now it's checking the webcam to make sure that my video is working, which it is. Okay, finally it's checking the network, making sure that I have a good connection. And there we go. So I'm going to continue. And it's asking, am I ready to start the test? Yes, I am. So I will stop talking to you and narrating while we complete the test, and then I'll come back to you towards the end.
Hello, thank you for choosing eMed. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Hi.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Norilyn. I'll be your certified guide, and together we will prepare and activate your test kit.
Okay.
So to ensure that your test is supported, we will need to verify its expiration date.
Mm-hmm.
Can you please hold your test box with a white label on the back of the box to your device camera?
Certainly. Oops.
Okay. Can you please move the box a bit down? Okay, 2023-0101. Okay, thank you so much. I have your box. May I please have the name and date of birth of the person being tested? Thank you, Colin. Okay, I can see you're holding your ID now on the camera. Just give me a few seconds to view it, okay?
Okay.
That's all right. Hold on. All right. Thank you so much, Colin. I have with your ID. Can you confirm to me that you are the owner of the account used to log in?
I am, yes.
Thank you. So in case our connection drops, just click on reconnect to rejoin the session, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now please tilt your camera down so I can see your box on a flat surface.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Okay, Colin, just keep the card on that keep the camera on that focus.
Okay.
Please go ahead and open your box.
Okay.
Instructions for this test will also be seen on the screen, but for now, I need to see you opening your test box.
Okay.
Okay, so you should have a sealed test card, a sealed swab, and a dropper of liquid. So I can see that it's all complete. Now, please open the square pouch and take the test card out. Okay, just keep the card closed and then hold it up again to your camera so I can scan the QR code.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, Colin. I have scanned it successfully. So let's proceed. Kindly open the card, lay it down completely flat like an open book.
Okay.
Make sure that the two holes are on your right side. Please do not touch the inside of the card, especially the strip on the left side.
Okay.
You can slightly bend the card so it will be flat. Perfect. Okay, next take the dropper of liquid and open it. Okay, and then hold the dropper vertically half an inch over the top hole, that is smaller top hole on the card, and put 6 drops into it.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Thank you. Next, please take the swab out without touching the foam tip.
Can't get it to open. Oh, there we go. It's tight.
It's okay. All right. Okay. No worries. I'll wait for you.
Oh, there we go. That's it.
Okay, perfect. Pull it out. Okay, please adjust your camera up so I can see you.
Okay.
We are now going to swab each of your nostrils, beginning with your left.
Okay.
So please insert the swab at least half an inch into your left nostrils and rotate it 5 times against the sides of your nostrils. 2, 3, 4, 5. And please do the same on the other side using the same swab. 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, Colin.
Okay.
Okay, now please check the image on the screen. As shown in the image, you have to insert the swab into the bigger hole up until it's visible in the top hole.
Okay.
Okay. So insert and then slide it in.
Okay.
Perfect. And then twirl the swab stick to the right 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, and peel off the adhesive tape on the right edge of the card. And
Okay.
after that, close the card like a book from left to the right and seal it.
Okay.
Thank you. So just keep the card facing up. We will be activating the timer. The test card must stay flat and steady. Do not touch the card during this time.
Okay.
An ex-certified guide will be with you in 15 minutes to assist you in interpreting your result. So in case you have other questions, you can just access the link that I've sent on the chat box. That's www.emed.com/contact-us. Okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And Colin, you're free to move away from the screen, but make sure you're back before the 15 minutes are up.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. I will now be hitting the timer. I'll play an informational video while you wait. Thank you for your cooperation. Take care. Have a good night.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome.
As you can hear, the timer's done, so I am going to connect back with the representative, and I'm going to keep the test in shot at all times until they tell me otherwise.
Hello, thank you for choosing eMed. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. Hi.
Hi, thank you for confirming it, sir. Welcome back. Thank you for waiting. My name is Aisha. I will be your certified guide. Together, we will interpret and record your results.
Okay.
So can you please hold your test card in front of your device camera to scan the QR code so I can see the result for you, sir?
Sure.
Thank you so much, sir. I got it. So there are 3 possible outcomes of the test: positive, negative, and invalid. So please look at the result window on the front of the card and look carefully for pink lines. The line in the sample window can be very faint. So do you see 2 pink horizontal lines in your card?
No, I only see one line.
So do you see only a single pink horizontal line next to the word control at the top of the results window?
That is correct, yes.
So please compare to the sample results on the screen as shown in the picture.
Yep, that looks the same.
Thank you so much, sir, for confirming it. So you have tested negative for COVID-19. If you experience COVID-like symptoms, you may require additional testing to confirm that you do not have COVID-19. If you have any further questions, so please contact your healthcare provider or local health department. So now please dispose your card, drop a bottle, and swab it to your trash. This is now complete. Information about the test will be sent to your email in a PDF format. Your test results and digital pass will be sent to your Navica application within 15 minutes. I am submitting the results as negative, sir.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're most welcome, sir. In case if you do not receive your results, email and digital pass within the next 15 minutes, or else if you have any further queries and concerns, please contact our customer support link that have been shared with you in your chat box. So can you please take a screenshot of the customer support link, sir, in case if you do not receive your results, so you can contact them.
Okay, yeah, I have that information here.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So goodbye, and thank you for choosing eMed. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Take
Thank
care.
you. You too. Bye-bye.
You're most welcome, sir. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
Okay, and as you can see, this test result did come out negative. I just have the control line at the top. As you'll see, they do point out that if you do test positive, the sample line doesn't necessarily have to be a solid line like the control line. It can actually be very faint. So just take a double check. Make sure you've got some good light so you can see that. As you heard, they will validate your results. Again, it's just important that you do leave the card in view at all times during that 15 minutes in case there's any doubt as to the test. But certainly they scan the barcode here, the QR code, and that will show that you haven't switched the test out, and that's what helps them to verify that this is actually the test that they witnessed you take. The results will be emailed to you. You can print off that email if you want to take that to the port. If you do have the Navica app on your phone, which I do, you can actually display the results there as well, and you can just show them at the port. There is also a test result you can print off from there. So you've got 3 options: 2 that you can print off at home, and 1 that you can just show on your phone. So whichever one is best for you or most convenient for you. If you've used this, let me know what you think of it. If you think this is easier than going to maybe a CVS or a Walgreens, for example, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I would be very grateful to anyone that subscribes. That tells me that you're enjoying the content I'm sending out there and that you want to see more of it. So thanks everyone, happy cruising. Bye bye.